Alright guys, here we are. We're going to do an unboxing of this flashlight, the A76 300 milliamp. Okay. Holographic fashion strong light flashlight. The Eric outdoor portable flashlight. So let's see what this bad boy is all about. Okay, there we go. It's got a cool little picture on it. I like that. Warranty card. It won't come out. Your charger cable, USB-C, and your flashlight. I think that's it. Yep. Huh, pretty cool. So we got our charger port, power button, belt clip, lanyard, LEDs, one big LED. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. Oh, okay. So I'm assuming these are your battery life indicators. So you got your out adjust, in adjust. Very cool. Hit it again. Okay, maybe it's on a delay thing. Oh, okay, so you hit it once, fast, strobe. But I want to know how you get that one to turn on. Maybe if you push and hold. Yep. Push and hold. So, right on. Cool. The A76 300 milliamp flashlight. Get yours in the shop today.